As part of the data camp, we've brought together 20 tamariki from different kura kaupapa Māori and kura a iwi around Te Arawa, and they're participating in a data camp in partnership with Te Whare Tapiri o Te Arawa. For this particular data camp, our tamariki are undertaking workshops learning about different traditional Māori art forms and weaving together key data concepts like data collection, data analysis and data synthesis, and pulling those together to reflect back their interpretation of the data and information they receive.
What we're doing is not just exposing them to the data system as it already exists or to data opportunities with big corporates or other people who have designed it, but we're working with them to integrate te ao Māori, mātauranga Māori, me te ao Raraunga nei, and I guess create and redesign the data ecosystem in alignment with how we've always seen things. O te kaupapa o Te Kāhui Raraunga, me ki ko tō mātou whakatauki, he kura kāhuna, he kura ka whākina, e koro pupū ana te waiora.